That's the beautiful part about it, is you're guaranteed to make a connection. And if we think about, eHarmony, right? They don't guarantee you're going to have a date. They don't guarantee you're going to make your soulmate, but they do guarantee there's a connection somewhere for you, because it's going to do a matching. And then it's up to you to say, nope, nope. Oh yeah, I'm going to connect with this person. We're going to have a chat. It's the same thing. Think of this like the dating world. And then not everything works out. And maybe the only thing you got was, this was great, you're super, I don't need that right now, or whatever, right? But you had a good enough experience that you're willing and ready to jump to that next one, right? Honestly, you could be using the connection generator 3 to 5 times a day. There's no limits. We're completely unlimited. In Sales Navigator, you're only allowed to reach out to, I think it's 20 in-mails or something. So make 20 true connections to people you don't know. We don't limit it that way. So another thing to be thinking about. So Joyce says, increasing your network. Exactly. So here's what starts to happen in a brand new scenario of how we're building this out, right? So it's like when you go to a networking event, right? And you go and you meet 2 people, and now you know those 2 people, and you go, and the next month you go again and you hi to those 2 people, and then you meet 2 more people. Now I got 4 people in my network. I might have the whole room there, but I can only meet so many people at a time, right? Here's what I love about the ability to increase your network within the connection generator. And that is, you can make a query. They don't answer right away. People are getting used to, in the habit of checking in daily, right? We're starting to build in mechanisms that are going to pull people back every day, etc. That's all coming. But in the meantime, we just have to remember, go check the connection generator, and maybe we have a connection request. And if we don't, we make one, okay? So that's going to be our goal. Now, so increasing our network, we can 10x the acceleration of that, because it's not only once a month, which most networking groups are, and 2, we can make as many inquiries and meet as many people as we can. Some of these meetings could be a direct messenger. Some could just be in chat. That's a meeting. I know more about you, and you are now aware of me. That's a connection. And that means we have expanded our network. And let's say I direct message chatted with somebody for 5 minutes, and they told me 3 or 4 things that they did. I now have that in my head. As I'm meeting more people and they say, oh man, I totally need a graphic artist. I've been driving me crazy. I want to up-level the look of some of my graphics. I would be, I remember, yes, I remember, oh, Rachel Townsend, she's super at stuff like that. And in fact, if you need some Instagram too, I'm going to tell you two to hook up, right? Because we're going to start to know who's in the back end, what do they do, and the more connections we make, the more powerful our network becomes. And it becomes a half and half, right? Hey, let the connection generator serve up. Let the connection generator exercise its artificial intelligence. But don't forget, we can also add to that that powerful infrastructure, right? Where I'm going to remember the people I've connected with and what they do. Okay, next. I'll touch on this, increasing revenue, okay? I've increased revenue, right? All of us are affiliates. So, as this starts to go down the 2 gets 2, we're going to increase our revenue. But as just a person who comes on and uses the connection generator, at some point, there will be a connection that results in a speaking gig that makes you money, a podcast that drives people to your funnel, an actual client acquisition, a referral that leads to a client acquisition. It's going to happen, right? This is going to be part and parcel of a natural evolution of how we conduct our business daily. And the beautiful part, it's so simple. 5 minutes in the beginning of the day into connection generator. It serves 6 people up to you. Heck, don't even think if you don't want to. All right. Just select, just look down there and click. It's going to tell you a little bit about who they are. And you can be like, I don't need that. Next, view the next person. I don't need that right now, but I'm going to bookmark them. And I'm going to walk you through some of this. Okay. We're going to walk through what a day should look like. Okie doke. Where did I get to? So create power partners. Yes, that's even more, as you say, that's not even just a connection, that's a power partner. So examples of power partners, or as Garrison has said here, referral partners, those are people that you can meet, like Garrison. I could meet Garrison and I could say, hey, you know what? I have this super awesome launch coming up for a new product. How would you like to be a referral partner? And in exchange, I'm going to give you 50% of the revenue that you produce from that recommendation to your members and followers. Are you interested? And he could say, tell me about the product, or he could say yes, because now you're starting to open doors to, one, you're making money, they're making money, right? It's win-win when you start to get referral and power partners like this. You can't see the attendees' responses. Remember, the system had to change. That's why I'm reading out most of them. Okay, create valuable connections with those with whom we otherwise would not connect. 100%. Yes, exactly.